This is Dorcia Hart with Kangen Water. I know you're here, you're picking up your bottles. Tell me, about yourself and about drinking Kangen Water and what it's done for you. And, just let me know about what's going on with you and your family.
Hi, Mrs. Smith. How are you? And I want to say thank you, and thank you for having us today. I had to bring another individual who definitely loves the water also. But to get to your question, I started coming here maybe 3 months ago to the water station. I had heard about Kangen Water back in 2009, but I only had one small cup of it.
Okay.
And I actually drank that one small cup, and I thought it was just regular. I was doing so much stuff at the time. We were there for paperwork, but they had Kangen Water there. And so I just took one glass of it because it was at the suggestion of the host of the meeting that we were at.
Oh, okay.
But it was so much going on, and I had never been to Florida before. And so it was kind of like, okay, this is good, this is good, this is good, but I'm really here for this. Okay, so I just looked at it like a fleeting thing, right? Okay, and I guess I wouldn't have noticed, I didn't take notice of the effects of it back then. Here, fast forward to now. Here's the water station. Ironically, I was going to the water station on Woodward with Dr. Kiefer before she passed, rest in peace to the sister. And I think it's still there now, but I decided to come here because it was closer because I'm right down Joy Road. And Joy Road is just right around the corner from West Grand Boulevard. So I was there. I'm right here, so I came here and I said, okay, this is just another place where I can get, I thought it was alkaline water first. And I guess it's kind of like it, but it's a little different, I understand.
Right, it's alkaline and antioxidant and it's super absorbing.
Okay, into the cells.
So it's 3 properties.
3 properties. Okay, I think alkaline only has 2.
Well, if you buy alkaline in the store, it's just, alkaline.
1, okay,
right.
Just...
because the antioxidants part of the property doesn't last more than 3 days. So even if they tried to bottle it, it wouldn't be there.
It'd just be clean water.
Yeah.
Okay. And when we listen to you, Ms. Smith, tell me about, we had this seminar already, and for those at home, we had a seminar already, and we were introduced to the properties about the health benefits.
Okay.
And I took it a little bit more serious at that point. First thing I wanted to notice the effects of was my stomach. I was having problems with gas. I was having problems with my stomach. I call it curling, but that just means your stomach gets irritated by anything you put in it.
Okay.
Part of it was because of my snacks. My snack habit had to change a little bit because I was eating and because I was working afternoon shift, and it's like you get hungry and you start snacking, and I was eating the wrong snacks.
Right. And
it was messing my stomach. It was leaving my stomach a mess. So I said, okay, first thing I want to do is try and fix that. After we got that water from you the last time, after the seminar, I started taking note of how well my stomach was behaving.
Okay, excellent.
So it's mainly, my main reason for doing it initially was to get my stomach together.
Okay.
I knew if I put clean water in my stomach a lot, along with a very healthy diet, and Miss Seckman here can tell you that I definitely try to itemize what I eat.
Okay. Okay,
and
good.
That's my story.
Hi, my name is Empress Segment Bay. Came into the water station around the same time. I had never heard of Kangen Water before. I would say my family is kind of like water connoisseurs, not like really water connoisseurs, but we do take a lot of care in the water that we ingest. So we don't just drink any kind of water. My main thing with spring water was the best. My mom, she prefers purified. So then we come to an impasse with the Kangen water, right? So when I found out about the Kangen water and all the things that it could do, all the benefits that it possesses, definitely wanted to tell my mom about it. So, of course, explained it to her, even sent her the link of the a link about Kangen water that was available. So she watched that. She definitely wanted to try it, and lo and behold, she even liked the taste of it. She doesn't get too much of it because we keep it at the house,
Right.
Also, I explained it to my children because my children are very aware of their water and their water intake as well. 15 and 17, so that's pretty good for teenagers, because they don't pay attention to nothing.
Right.
So for them to be teenagers and pay attention, so I told them about the benefits of it, and for them to let me know and everything else like that. They definitely love it. On the top too, because we still buy the spring water when we can't get to the water station. So when we do run out of our Kangen water, we can tell the difference. I wanted to use it for all of the things that it possesses. I can't wait till I get my actual machine.
Yeah.
Yes, that's
Okay.
my goal, is to have me a machine. So so that I don't have to
Right, don't worry about it.
so I want me a machine because I can tell. So at the first month, I would definitely drink some before I went to bed because I would wake up with bloating a lot of just build up of bloats and gas and things like that. So I do notice that if I drink that Kangen water beforehand and then go to bed, nothing. I'm waking up just as clear as a bird, no sharp pains of gas. We even put some grapes in we soaked some grapes just about a week ago or so, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Now we had the grapes already for about a week, and it was like when we put the grapes in the Kangen water and then put them in the refrigerator, it was like it just refreshed. It was like they just became refreshed. It kept them crisp. It kept them. It's like it preserved them even longer than what it would have normally, than what the expectancy would have been.
Oh, okay.
Because it was like we had them for about a week, and then like the rest of the bag, you just have the stuff. So the rest of the bag we just put in some Kangen water, and it's like it extended the life of the grapes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, really.
Wow.
The residue was still on them too.
Mm-hmm.
The white residue from the spray was still on the grapes, and the boys were eating it.
Right.
And I just said, "Oh no!"
'Cause they
I
were
took
just
all the
rinsing
grapes
it.
off of the
the
vine,
Mm-hmm.
and threw them all inside a Tupperware dish. Poured the Kangen water in there,
Right.
and just left it. I said, "Okay, that'll make it
Just
better for
water.
them. They'll just grab some and eat it. They don't know the difference."
Right.
But it cleaned off all of the residue, all the I think they were green, not green, but they were the dark blue ones, the grapes, and the color it's like the color even popped on them. Like nice and shiny, you know what I'm saying? And no residue whatsoever. It all came off because of the water, soaking them
Okay.
in the water.
Okay, that's
So that's just a little
It's just like last night, I ate something I shouldn't have, and I took a couple of sips of the Kangen water to kind of help settle my stomach. I said like about 5-10 minutes later, it was nice and settled, and I could go on and eat. It's a really good. You can taste the crisp, and then it does refresh you. You know how they say drink a glass of water when you wake up. I can tell the difference between when I just drink my spring water when I wake up and versus when I drink my Kangen water.
Okay.
It's like when I have the Kangen, I have more energy. Like I have energy, with the spring, but the Kangen just gives me like, it's like I'm up a little, more
A boost.
to me. Yeah, it's like I'm up more to me. So,
Oh, okay, that's excellent.
I really love it. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So your boys are loving it, everybody's loving it,
Everybody's loving
and now you're going to bring your mom in.
Oh yeah, we're trying to
I
bring
was
moms.
expecting her
Both
today.
mothers.
Both mothers.
Yes,
were
we're trying to bring
supposed be
both
here.
mothers. We're
Both
supposed
mothers.
to be here with us.
Oh, okay. All
But
right.
mine's had a little bit of arthritis, which we're gonna give her some Kangen water so she can clear that up.
Okay.
And my mother said she's supposed to be on her way.
Oh,
So
okay.
any minute now, I don't know.
Hopefully, but yeah.
Okay. Well, thank you for that testimonial, and I'll be
welcome.
looking forward to helping you get your machine so that you guys can experience, more of the water.
Oh yes.
because there's 7 different kinds of water that the machine makes, and there's so many different benefits that you can get out of it.
I can't wait till I can get to a point where I'm using it for beauty too.
Yeah.
Because that's the, I'm so concerned about it with the drinking right now, that I'm conservative with it, so.
Right.
But I can't wait till I get it where I can wash my face with it and really see the effects of that.
Oh,
You did
okay.
say washing hair too?
Washing your hair, your
Wow.
face, and I mean, even, your dead plants, you can bring them back to life.
One more thing, Miss Smith. She cleans her nails a lot. So
Okay.
the thing with instead of soaking the fingers in the aloe vera, in the thing to clean the nails to make them softer.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we can. You can do certain soaks for them, like
Really?
you can put them into like the acid water to kill the germs,
Uh-huh.
and then the 11.5 to make them soft.
Okay.
Okay.
So there you go, dear. Yeah. So it's just she's fanatical with it. So she definitely, if she knows that, okay, if I soak my fingers in here, I don't have to worry about, them not being or a certain way like I don't want them, or make them soft enough to actually shape them and
Right.
keep them, up.
Right. Just like when you soak your feet, you don't want
Right.
to cut your toenails when they're hard. You
Right.
want to soak your feet, and then it's easier to cut your toenails.
So you're saying soak your feet too?
Yeah, your feet too.
Okay.
Okay, there's lots of things you're gonna find out, but I gave you a little brochure.
Oh, yeah, we got it.
And so on that brochure, it tells about all the different uses of the water. There's 7 different kinds of water. There's 3 drinking water. There's beauty water. There's clean water,
Strong
acid
acidic
water, and strong alkaline
Oh, that's
water.
for the cleaning. Oh, that'll be.
Yeah, the
nice.
cleaning is really important.
I haven't yet gotten to the cleaning portion of it.
Okay.
I mean, now that I remember about it, but I was just worried about that drinking and that beauty.
Right.
That I forgot about the cleaning portion.
Yeah, I'm gonna give you some
With
today.
the foods, yes.
Right.
Yeah.
Foods, yes.
Yes.
And then you said you
yeah.
had some gum problems, or
I definitely, the kink is sore now. I'm actually just now getting rid of it because I've been drinking it heavy.
okay.
And it's going away now.
Okay.
So that's another evidence that it works.
Okay.
But I guess if I had the acid water and I was smearing it
Yeah.
on there a little
It
bit,
kills
it would
germs
go
and
away
everything.
even quicker.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we're gonna give you some acid water today, so that you can rinse your mouth out.
Oh, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right. Well, thank you very much.
Oh, thank you.
And we'll hope that Mother
Thank
comes soon, so we can give her some water and talk to her.
All right, awesome.
Okay.
Okay.